What's up with y'all, man? Man, look at this. Look at this crazy pattern on Kaspa for one. Before we even get into it, just look at it. It's just been going up and up and up. Of course, we have a little drawback periods. Those are the best times to buy, right? Best times to buy. Yeah, look, man, people be hating because, crypto too volatile. It went down 57%. Went down 69% right here. Even from these highs, it went down as low as 45%. Who cares? That's why you gotta buy at the bottom. Don't buy at the top. You buy at the bottom. Look at the percentage growth right here. 4 to 5x. You come, hold on. You come right here. Just to right here alone. This is almost a 3x. If you keep buying at the bottom and you just keep accumulating that way, 3x. Buy at the bottom, ladies and gentlemen. Ride that thing on up. It's almost 100x right here. We still making our ways up. Yeah, I just had it's Kaspa, man. You gotta get excited every time you look at this chart right here, bro. Got to. But let's go ahead and get a little quick overview in what's going on today. So we have had a little bit of a pullback in Kaspa these last couple of days, while the other markets have been surging, but that's okay because Kaspa's really been ahead of everybody else. We already about to be breaking new all-time highs in Kaspa, while everybody else is just finding their footing. they're finally breaking structure. Kaspa has never broken structure during this entire time. Even back in this time here when I was doing videos back in way back on Kaspa. I can't say way back. But at the end of the year last year, I was checking out Kaspa and stuff. We was in this wine cost accumulation zone right here, but we still just been chilling though. We still been chilling. So we pretty much in like a little a zone right here, right? Been going sideways. Boom. Had a small little deviation period right here. It's a small one too. We ain't on that major, but we still gonna mark it out. I love the deviations. Because when you buy into the deviations and you shoot back up and it's off to the races. How would you have known that was a deviation? Well, Kaspa has slick been trading within a simple trend line. It's just been going straight up for the most part. You can come all the way back to right here and you can see Kaspa has been going up this trend line. It hit it multiple times right here before it surged up. And let's go ahead and mark it out. We're going to use the highlighter. 1, 2, 3 times, then it surged. Hit it again, boom. Then it starts surging, just move sideways for a little bit. And even in this zone right here alone, we did have another trend, a small little trend that we was following with Kaspa. It was following another trend line itself within the zone, and it made its own little bull flag. And this was the post, essentially, since Kaspa was a young project. But as you can zoom into it, we just build up pressure, and exploded out of it. You feel me? Like it's simple. It's simple. Just gotta let time go by so you can really see what's going on. But we are right here, building up on this trend line right here, and also hitting this horizontal ceiling at the exact same time. So we're again building up pressure within this zone. And if you can see what happened the last time we did so, it was I made a video on this not that long ago. As a matter of fact, so it was like boom. Okay, this is pretty much what happened. We're gonna turn this one right here to red. Like I said, I just did this for y'all not too long ago. I'll do it again. I don't mind since we talking about it. And I'll show you the pattern that Kaspa had took. You'll see exactly where we are right now, with the exact same pattern layout. So, talk about it real quick. Like I said, we balled up into this pressure zone. After we made this, we bounced off this trend line here. We shot up and we had a sell-off period. That's what the red represents. It's a sell-off, Hit it with a simple A, B, C Elliott wave down. Once we hit the Elliott wave down and bounced off this trend line, boom, we made a new foot, made a higher low, and we started working our way on up. Then once it hit this this trend line here from the last high, it's pretty much once it hit the high, it bounced off, it bounced through it, came back through, and just consolidating at the all-time high, the same way it is now, ladies and gentlemen. We had a cool-off period, 1, 2, 3, hit that trend line, but once pressure bottled up, once price got real deep into the triangle, it had nowhere else to go but up. It exploded. Simple. What's going on now? The exact same thing. It's the exact same thing. We had our Elliott wave down already. Now 1, A, B, C. The C doesn't have to be as dramatic all the time, but it does this boom, make a complacency shoulder, then it has a final sell-off. The final sell-off didn't go that far down because it was right here at the trend line anyways. And we just kept up with the trend. And after that, we had, I'm gonna go ahead and mark this back out for y'all. 1, 2, and we're about to have a 3 up here pretty soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this one right here red for you. Boom, make this one, ooh, it's too much stuff in the way. Oh no. Come on, I really wanna push it. All right, how about this? There we go. Make that right here green. I'm about to move all that stuff out the way for a second just so I can get to it. But as you can see, we came up, had a cool off. A, B, C, Elliott wave down. You should have bought up, especially in this little deviated area. After you see me made the floor, came back down, touch the upwards trend line, then we came back up. Boom, cool off. Cool off, and about to have another third cool off and bottle up into this little zone around August, or even hopefully before August. I ain't gonna lie. I hope they have it like around the end of July. This will really, it'll really bring tears to my life. Oh, just see the thing surge. Oh man, you have no idea. People have no idea. If you ain't investing into this stuff, man, you are lost. I don't know what's going on, man. I don't know what. You better pick something. This is a risk-on market right now. It's the perfect time to make some bread. But we about to explode, y'all. That's all it is to it. That's all it is to it. You see exactly what it is I'm pointing out. Patterns. It rhymes. It doesn't repeat. It's not the exact same pattern. It's like not every day is going to play out the exact same, but trust and believe when this thing explodes up, it's going to be in the exact same type of manner. In fact, let's have some fun with it like we always do. You got to have some fun with it because you gotta want to know where exactly this thing has the potential of going, right? So what we do? We get this stuff right here. And this ain't nothing but just the essence of the move itself. And in all honesty, this might be a terrible thing to do, but we just follow along with this little movement right here. Boom, boom, boom. We ball it up into pressure, then we take off, ladies and gentlemen. Might hit it up right here around this 50-cent marker. And I believe that's where it's going to end up anyways. You look at the Fibonacci extension, hit it right here from this all-time high to the previous, to this range low. It's just a full extension. That's all it is. That's all it is, ladies and gentlemen. Just a full extension. Nothing too crazy. And the crazy thing about it is, even when you do the fractorial on it, even respects the lines itself. Look, it bounced right off of the 2618 right here. It came back down, it did shot back through and hit the 3618. Now, I don't know. I think that'd be kind of spooky to me sometimes how just on point that can even be. But that's just me showing y'all where it is. I believe Kaspa will be at in the future. Right up here, I'm gonna put a line up here for y'all around the 50-cent range. Matter of fact, we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna put a box, and we're gonna keep it up here until we hit it. All right, y'all. We're gonna keep it up here until we hit it. We're gonna turn this box green. I'm gonna make it a little bit more see-through, so I don't really want it to be too crazy. This is what we're gonna be at right here. This is, mark my words, y'all. Wait. Here go another way of looking at it. Get from the top of the triangle down to the bottom of the range. You look at the breakout period. Boom, where we at with it? Right there. This is textbook, man. Textbook. You just gotta know how to look at this stuff and how to gauge this stuff out. Are we gonna sell when it gets here? No, because where it is that I believe Kaspa will be at long term, I believe we can reach the skies. Oh no, I didn't even mark it down, y'all. Did I? Hold on, I believe I did. Let me look at this real quick. I probably erased it already, to be real with y'all. That would really break my heart. I had it set up here to where I knew exactly where the 50 billion market cap was going to be at. And if I'm not mistaken, it was like right here, around the $7.5 marker. It was $7.50 to be exact, honestly. And we'll go ahead and add the text for that. And it's going to be the 50 billion market cap. That's where we're gonna end up being at, 50 billion market cap. But with all that being said, man, I'm just gonna give y'all my little update on Kaspa and my prediction on where it is I believe Kaspa is gonna go, just by looking at these past patterns that Kaspa has been in, and we're playing it all out again to a T perfectly. So let's go ahead, let's get this bag, let's run it up. I want all y'all to understand that I am here for you, to help you get this bag as well, because I'm definitely gonna get it. But if you follow along, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, give your boy a shout out, do anything you can to support the channel, because we gon' make it to 100K. I ain't talking about subscribers, forget y'all. I'm playing. I'm really talking about that bread though. We gonna hit that 100K, then we gonna aim for a milli, then we gonna aim for 10 milli. We gonna keep on striving for the fortune, because this is a massive wealth exchange that we're in the midst of. So please don't miss out on it. Go ahead and lock in with your boy, and we'll pick this back up next time.